Make sure the area is clean and the surface is level, to prevent the uneven layout of the panels. If supplied with a pipe layout diagram, make a note of how to position the boards. Alternatively, use the installation manual to configure your pipe layout. Lay the boards across the floor with the grooves facing upwards. If you find you need to create a new channel, this can be done with a knife or router. Ensure the curve radius doesn't cause excessive bending or kinking. Do not allow kinks to form into the pipes. Use a foil tape between the panels to hold them in place. While laying the boards and pipes, it will be necessary to walk across them. Use crawl boards in high-foot traffic areas. Ideally, the pipe should be unrolled using a decoiler or in the horizontal position. Allow the floorboards to acclimatize to the indoor room temperature for at least 24 hours, as they may swell or shrink depending on the climate. Floor finishes should be fitted to the floor manufacturer's guidelines. Should underlay be required, ensure this is suitable for underfloor heating. It must be below 1 tog to ensure heat can transmit into the floor above. Ensure that floorboards are laid perpendicular to the underfloor heating pipes. Ensure all pipework is pressure tested, conforming to BS-EN 1264. Fastwarm DUO panels provide an easy-to-install solution for your underfloor heating project. Call us today to get started.